Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u Antor News.
Kuble ye phi baro kinigilong ki khubor bam tagasngi. Halor kamat jingterwa ban penkha ka district thamai but ka Mausan Ram Civil Subdivision ha East Khas Hills District u MLA ka Mausan Ram constituency u ba Olan Singh Sun ulawan ra ka kinta jingkali ha Dorbar Sunrai banyo ka jibab na u Deputy Chief Minister u ba Prestun Tensong la ka sarkar ka don mon ne em ban I Civil Subdivision ye ka Mausan Ram na ka Community and Rural Development CNRD Blong. U MLA ka UDP na Mausan Ram ba Olan Singh Sun ulaong ba ka Mausan Ram ka don hong banyo ya ka Civil Subdivision na markinong syongshnong ki don Khambun ban ya ka pin Ursla bat Ranikor bat babun kishnong ki don Shaki Jakariat ki ba Janjar ban poi. U MLA ka TMC na nong thamai ba Charles Pingrop haba Krishani kati kaman ula banjur ya ka jingdon kam ya ka sarkar ban perkhatno ha ka ban penkha ya ka district thamai haba khmi ya ka East Khas Hills ka balong ka Wayne ki district bahe do apo ka jila haba penphai ya ka jubam uba Prestun Tensong ha ka sngi balai jong ka Dorbar Sunrai ba ka sarkar jila kadang bishar bnya ya ka jingterwa ban penkha thamai ya ki Community and Rural Development CNRD Blong hoit kalong ka badan kam hap shong bishar on daladep unsa ai jingtip ya udukhot ka yung Dorbar bat ki pait ba ka Mausan Ram jubab uba Prestun Tensong.
Mr. Speaker, sir, reply to state question 31. A and B, sir, the matter is the examination. Mr. Swing.
Mr. Speaker, sir, thank you for the Minister to have replied my question. But the question was, I'm very happy, but the question was not to the satisfaction. So before I ask another question, may I make one or two sentence statements, sir? You see, Mausan Ram CNR block is a multi-community inhabitants, speaking different language, having different faith and religions. And even though we coexist as brothers and sisters in such a diversity of culture, belief, and so on. So it is we are living in unity, though in diversity. Second, sir, as we know, Mausan Ram, within Mausan Ram block itself, we have the altitude of 550 meters up to 1,700 meters. In between this altitude, we have three climatic regions: the temperate region, the subtropical region, and the tropical regions bordering Bangladesh. Population are living in temperate region, living in plateau, living in difficult terrain, living in low flat areas, in border areas. They are facing very much difficulty. The distance from the headquarters is more than 100 kilometers up to the extreme border. We have also the population size bigger than Ranikor civil solution, bigger than Penusla civil solution. We have also the village, higher number of village than Ranikor civil solution, than Penusla civil solution. Except the size of the area, Ranikor is higher than us. The rest, all the tabis, we are in higher than those civil solution. So, sir, and besides our people or villages situated in the difficult terrain, it's very difficult for the digital system of governments to reach to our people. It is only the civil subdivision that can bring closer administration to our people. So please, if these facts and data, sir, to buttress support of my statement, if the department required, yes, I can support any time. So based on this statement, sir, may I know from the Minister in charge to pass a remark comment and give a statement whether these data are fit to grant civil solution for Mausan Ram CNRD block, sir.
Mr. Speaker, sir, yes, the concern of the Honorable MLA from Mausan Ram, Basun, and the justification he placed before the Agwas House, it's so convincing, no doubt of it, sir. Very, very convincing. Yes, sir. In fact, as I've already replied, matter is under examination. We know not only Mausanram alone, we do have quite a number of more places which needs the administration going down closer to the people. So, sir, let me again reiterate that the proposal for creation of Mausanram civil subdivision is being examined in detail by the government, and once the process is completed, once the examination is done, then I'll be in the position to tell the honorable members and also the people of Mausanram area as a whole, sir.
So thank you, sir. I have nothing to say but only to request the ruling dispensation to kindly consider our lots, because I'm the voice of the people of my constituency. So when I speak, I'm speaking on their behalf. I'm their voice. So I request the ruling dispensation to kindly be pathetic to grant us a civil solution, because it is all the data are fit to be granted Mausanram Sinadi block as a civil solution. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Yes, but Charles, please.
So I also, as a voice of the people of the state, I had put this question before in the last session also, if I recollect. If my recollection is me. East Khasi Hills is one of the biggest districts in the entire state. And I don't have any data, but I know it is the biggest. Will the government consider creating another district within the East Khasi Hills, as the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister has rightly said, to bring governance close to the people, in Sora, and upgrading it into a district headquarters. This question was raised by me before. Will the government consider that now, since they're taking up the matter of Mausanram also?
Mr. Speaker, sir, yes, sir, as I've already replied again, be it creation of Sinadi block, be it creation of civil subdivision, or even district, government is always thinking of the main intention of the government is to bring down the administration, the government, towards the nearest location of the people. That is our intention. So yes, as already mentioned by the honourable member, by Charles Pongrop, we are examining both, not only civil subdivision, but district as well as creation of CNRD blocks.